2016. Of course, I did miss out on the last year. Else, I have always attended Canalys. From this event, yes, while we did, Steve always predicts what is going to happen in the upcoming year, and it was pretty shocking and surprising to know about the issues which are going to crop up, especially on DRAM, which in turn is going to have a cascading effect on deliveries. And our main concern and worry immediately is the kind of commitments which we have made to our customers, especially on the deliveries. Let's say, especially with the public sector, the public sector business is so very tricky. If there's any kind of a delay, you have the penalties kicking in. And our major worry is, especially with some of these public sector orders, when the delivery delays, and which he's predicting it is going to start off from December onwards. So that's a concern for us, one. And second is the emphasis on artificial intelligence all through the event. Everything and any discussion is all about AI, artificial intelligence, and we are pleasantly surprised. While as partners, we are also evolving and trying to understand where to start, how to start. While we have already started, but still, taking it to the market is the most trickiest part for partners like us. Understanding the market segment, or understanding the use cases, what will work, what doesn't work. But in some of the session which we understood today is, they said, try something, try it with some freshers. If it works, continue. If it doesn't, quickly move on. I think that's some of the great learnings which we are making. Enablement of our people, while resources is a great challenge. Most of the system integrators today, either retaining the right kind of resources is a challenge, or enabling your existing resources is a challenge. With technology changing so fast and so many OEMs being in our practice, and when you go to a customer and when you want to deliver a value-based offering to your customer, business outcome-centric kind of an offering, solutioning to your customer, success criteria integrated into your offerings. When you look at all of these things, the challenge is who is the one who is going to deliver. Today, people talk about customer experience. Now, customer experience is somebody who is going to be a mid-term between your service deliverable and the client, right? Understanding all of these things, you need to enable your team. Who are the ones who can enable their team? It is only the OEMs or the distributors. Now, distributors also have a limited capacity, because while most of the distributors aspire to be a value-added distributor, it is definitely not possible. Let's take any of the examples of any of the distributors. Some of them hold somewhere around 800 OEMs under them. Some of them hold around 100 or 200. Some of them gone up to 1,500 OEMs. It is impossible for a distributor to have a technical resource capable enough in managing each of these things. Now, let's say of the 1,500 OEMs which they are partnered with, let's say even the 100 are top. Can you have 100 resources built across all of these things? It takes a mammoth capability. What is the distributor doing? What is that me as a partner am I going to learn from the distributor? So, in my opinion, now when we are trying to confine ourselves to, let's say, one or two or maximum 4 different OEMs, take these offerings, so it's easy for you to build capabilities and capacity skill sets across these verticals. One, and then try working for the rest of them with the distributors, or look up the OEM itself as a support. But not all the OEMs have their own service deliverables across India. Some of them look up to someone else. Why? This, in turn, is going to bring up the topic of saying, can I look at the integrated approach? Now, hey, can I work with my peer? Hey, now my peer is my competitor, but can I have a better engagement or trustworthy engagement with him? So it's at the end of the day, if you see, it is all about integration. So co-creating, working together with the integrated approach, joining hands together is something which can address the current challenges in the market. In this, OEM or distributor, they play a major role in getting two people either engaged or married. So that's where I look up to OEM, to be a perfect matchmaker.